absolutely fantastic. Came dripping in emeralds today.
My favorites from you guys.
This is the original ring that I made for you. These are the emeralds that we're looking at. Remember that they're going to kind of like intensify once we set them.
Yeah. Now, do you think it'll be similar in size?
So I can space the emerald as far apart as you want.
Perfect. Yeah, I love all of those. Can we do a mock-up of both styles, like close together and then spaced apart?
Now that we have the horseshoe down, we're going to start working on our next piece. Cool thing about the baroque is that you can treat it kind of like a pearl, and the side that has least inclusion, we can drill it and you can have a free floating emerald. No setting, just an emerald.
How fragile are the ones that are with the inclusions?
So these are definitely going to be on the more fragile side because we can see that they do have surface reaching fissures. Just like this guy here, we can see a lot of that white, which is just a surface reaching inclusion. So you do have to be more careful with these have to go on a pendant. One thing about Jennine is that she's very big on turquoise, so we looked at various combinations where we can take these beautiful Sleeping Beauty turquoise and set them alongside Colombian emeralds. We played with the shapes and cuts to make sure they were balanced and beautiful. Once the gems were selected and the cat designs were approved, we went ahead and set them. The final results for the earrings and pendants are incredible. What do you guys think?